Almost every kitchen has a few bags of white button mushrooms, not just because they are cheap and tasty, but also because of the health benefits that every family trusts. However, few people know, how can people produce such a huge amount of mushrooms every day? Today, you and I will explore the entire process together. White button mushrooms, or known as white button mushroom, are the most grown species in the world. The special thing is mushrooms can grow all year round in a controlled environment, not depending on outside weather. Just needing from 30 to 45 days, from incubating spawn to harvesting, 1 acre of land can yield from 90 to 120 tons of fresh mushrooms. The process starts with preparing the substrate, a special mixture from wheat straw, chicken manure, and gypsum. This mixture is completely sterilized at temperatures of 140 to 160 degrees F for 6 to 8 hours to eliminate harmful bacteria, then cooled and mixed evenly with mushroom spawn. This is the important step deciding 70% of the mushroom quality later. After mixing spawn, the substrate is put into growth chambers with perfect conditions. Temperature 75 to 77 degrees F, humidity 95%, and CO2 concentration strictly controlled. In the first 14 to 16 days, spawn spreads throughout the compost, creating a network white like snow cover. This is the spawn run stage, the foundation for the explosion of mushrooms later. By day 16 to 18, a special covering soil layer is spread over the spawn. This is a mixture of peat moss and limestone, helping stimulate mushrooms to fruit. Temperature drops to 60 to 65 degrees F. Humidity maintained at 85 to 90%. Just after 5 to 7 days, millions of tiny mushrooms begin to poke up like magic. Each square meter can produce up to 200 to 300 mushrooms at the same time. Harvesting is an art requiring high skills. Mushrooms must be picked when the cap is still closed, diameter 1 to 3 inches, before the veil under the cap breaks. Skilled workers can pick up to 30 to 40 pounds of mushrooms per hour, using a gentle twisting motion to separate mushrooms from compost without damaging the spawn underneath. Each cycle can harvest 3 to 4 flushes, spaced 7 to 10 days apart. Immediately after harvesting, mushrooms are put into rapid cooling chambers at 34 to 36 degrees F within 30 minutes to maintain freshness. This is extremely important. Low temperature prevents enzymes causing discoloration, keeping mushrooms bright white and crisp, while slowing down the respiration process, extending shelf life from 3 to 5 days up to 7 to 10 days when stored properly. Welcome to the modern processing plant. This place processes over 50 tons of fresh mushrooms per day. The process starts with the receiving conveyor belt mushrooms are poured from harvest trays onto shiny stainless steel conveyor belts. Automatic laser scanner systems count and classify mushrooms by size right from the start, removing those crushed or not meeting standards. The first stage, cutting stumps and dry cleaning. Instead of washing with water, which makes mushrooms absorb moisture and reduce shelf life, the factory uses a soft rotating brush system and high-pressure clean air streams to remove dirt and compost sticking to the surface. Robots automatically cut stumps accurate to every millimeter, ensuring no waste. Every second, the system can process 20 to 25 mushrooms. Next is the quality inspection station. By naked eye humans still cannot be replaced. Specially trained staff sit on two sides of the conveyor belt, checking each mushroom with incredible speed. They remove mushrooms with bruises, uneven color, or signs of disease. Strict standards. Only bright white, plump, flawless mushrooms are allowed to continue. The most important step, classification by size. Automated sorting systems use 3D cameras and AI, scanning the entire mushroom from every angle in 0.2 seconds, measuring diameter, height, and detecting defects small as 2 mm. Mushrooms are divided into 4 grades: small, 0.75 to 1.5 inch, medium, 1.5 to 2.25 inch, large, 2.25 to 3 inch, and extra large, over 3 inch. Automatic sorting gates open at the right moment to push mushrooms into the appropriate compartment. After sorting, mushrooms are weighed precisely. Automated weighing systems use super-sensitive load cell technology, able to weigh accurately to 0.1 ounce. Robot arms grab each group of mushrooms onto the weighing plate. When reaching the exact standard packaging weight of 8 Oz, 16 Oz, or 24 Oz, the system automatically transfers mushrooms to the packaging conveyor belt. This ensures customers always receive the full amount of mushrooms they pay for. To the packaging stage where technology meets food safety. There are 2 common packaging types: transparent PET plastic trays with lids and plastic bags with ventilation holes. Especially, packaging is designed with thousands of microscopic ventilation holes, allowing mushrooms to respire, releasing CO2 and excess moisture, but still maintaining ideal humidity. Automated packaging machines place mushrooms into packaging, vacuum slightly, and close lids within 2 seconds per package. Labels contain all important information. Automatic label printers print real-time with data from the system. Product name, exact weight, UPC barcode for supermarkets to scan, traceability code indicating exact farm, harvest date, and even specific shelf. Production date, expiration date, usually 7 to 10 days, and nutritional information. Robotic labeling machines stick each label accurately to the standard position on each package. Final quality check cannot be skipped. Industrial metal detectors scan each package to detect any metal pieces that might fall in during production, even if only small as a grain of sand. AI camera systems check if lids are closed tight, labels are pasted in the right position, and detect any packaging defects. Packages not passing are automatically rejected from the line. Pass rate, 99.7%. Packaged mushrooms are arranged carefully into specialized cartons with insulation foam layers and ventilation holes. Each carton holds 12 to 24 packages, depending on size, stacked in neat layers, avoiding crushing. Cartons are labeled with traceability QR codes and shipping information. Immediately, these cartons are moved into cold storage, stabilizing temperature 34 to 38 degrees F, humidity 90 to 95%, to wait for transport within 24 hours. The journey to consumers begins. Refrigerated trucks are maintained at 34 to 38 degrees F throughout the transport process, equipped with GPS and temperature sensors tracking real time. The cold chain must not be broken. From the factory, mushrooms are transported to regional distribution centers within 12 to 18 hours, then to supermarkets, food stores in the next 24 to 36 hours. Total time from harvest to shelf, 48 to 72 hours. At the supermarket, specialized staff check temperature immediately upon receiving goods must be from 34 to 40 degrees F before stacking on cool shelves. Mushroom shelves are always placed in special cooling areas with automatic misting screens maintaining high humidity. Mushrooms are stacked according to FIFO, first in first out principle, old goods out, new goods in. Staff check and remove expired packages or poor quality twice a day. Finally, the consumer, you are standing in front of the selection shelf. Choose mushroom packages with bright white color, plump, no black spots or slime. Check the expiration date and store mushrooms in the refrigerator. Cool compartment immediately when getting home. White button mushrooms are rich in plant protein, vitamin D, selenium, and antioxidants. A 3-oz serving has only 20 calories, but is full of nutrition. And that is the magical journey from the Pennsylvania farm to your dining table. From preparing substrate, incubating spawn 14 to 16 days, stimulating fruiting, harvesting skillfully, to the high-tech processing process with 8 strict quality control stages. Each mushroom carries within it the dedication of hundreds of people and the most modern technology.